everybody? This is Anthony here. I just wanted to give a quick update video on where things Zap's going. Currently, today is August 9th, 2020. I'm looking at the Zap chart. Price is hovering around 20 to 22 cents. It's been in this range here. We broke out above the 100% fib extension level here, which was right around 20 cents, which was the previous high yesterday. I'm looking at the hour chart. This morning we broke above to about 24, 23 cents. On this exchange, Coin Perica, I'm looking at the USDT pair and the USD pair here. Also have the USDT pair tether chart pulled up on TradingView, and also looking at the Bitrue exchange volume through my phone and the order books. The ZapTex RP pair, which is currently not any charts that you could pull up. I'd have to pull up the Bitrue chart through my browser, which doesn't really look too good, because even on the phone it doesn't look good. So we're just going to stick with the USD chart here on CoinTrader Pro. Let's lock that into place. So over the past couple of days here, I mean, right around 2.8, 2.7 to right now, even it's at 770% gains, which is absolutely ridiculous. 7 times your money, not even in the course of a week if you got in. Had a bag since July, so I've been kind of lucky. I've taken my initial investment, and now I'm letting I'm letting the rest ride, because I like Zap, even if it goes back down to where I'm looking to actually gain some more at, is right here. Anywhere between 5 cents, which I don't think it's going to go down low to, but I think it's going to retrace to the 382, which is around 8 cents to 9 cents to 10 cents. I think that's where it hung out there for about a couple days, as you could tell. After the first initial pump up, it consolidated and then broke out from yesterday, which really got everyone's attention yesterday. I think it did about 150%, 130% easily yesterday, and it held those gains, and it went higher today. So this is where I'm looking at short term. I think Zap could easily get to 32 cents without question and hit the 168 or the 1618 actually, which would from here be still a pretty good gain. If let's say you get back in at 20 cents, I would look for here around 16 cents, maybe in the shorter term, if you don't think we're gonna retrace all the way. But even the 16 to 32 cents is still double your money. That's 100% there. Short term, 32 cents is my high swing. Can it go higher? Yes, but I think 32 cents is a conservative bet if we keep breaking up here. I think we do retrace back down to 16.5 cents to 14.5 cent levels, and then ultimately retrace to the 10 to 9 cent area is where I'll be making another buy. And I think that's where it might do something like this. We come up, check back down, do a little ranging, and then come back down again. But that's not it. Zap's not done after that. The reason why I say that is because it's gone from basically the largest it's ever been in market cap to where it is today right now. And it keeps moving up within the rankings. It's had the most volume it's ever had in its history over the past week too, which is giving it its price increase as it's been doing for the past couple weeks. But the Zap Protocol project, it's something that is very interesting. Blockchain oracles, that's the hype now with Chainlink, as you can tell. But it looks like it's actually something that's easy to work on, and and something tangible. I know Chainlink is sort of tangible too, but if you go on Zap's website, it's their product first. Before the you all their first three links is to their GitHubs to implement code to show you how to do this and how to get on their protocol and their gateway and how to work, which I think is really cool because you need. I mean, we all know basic blockchain with digital distributed ledgers and transactions and scalability. Coins are good for that. There's smart contracts like Ethereum, DeFi systems like 0x. I like I'm learning about the Oracle systems now because you do need the actual information from the internet and from these cloud databases to translate onto the blockchain, and that's going to be a very important tool in the future, and that's what Zap is helping to implement with these the Oracle databases that they're implementing on their blockchain, and I think that's really something. I've got to look into Zap more, definitely have to, but we're just looking at the price right now. I think it's going to hit 32 cents. I think it's going to swing back down, but I also think in the long run, since we've had all this volume, we have a breakout eventually. Looking at the longer scale here, I got the fibs drawn all the way up. All-time high apparently was 187, so let's just go off that. I think that's when it ICO'd maybe, or maybe after the initial crypto run. It had its own security exchange offering. I looked up. I don't think it was out before the big run, or maybe there's talks about ICOs or it did some sort of ICO when the ICO craze was happening, but I believe it happened almost a couple months after the initial bull run. And what I'm thinking, since we did go to the 100% level last time, but on the smaller time frame we did break out above here, so I think in a larger time frame we break out above there again, and then to the 1.618, which is around $3, $2.80, which is very, very achievable for Zap, considering the market cap on CoinMarketCap says it's only 30 million. Looking at CoinStats, since this is about, so it's going down a little bit, 28 million. From the current price of about 20 cents, you would need about a 15 times increase on the market cap. So a 15 times increase on, let's say, 30 million would be 450 million, which if we go to actual CoinMarketCap, where would that be on $450 million? $450 million is not that. It's kind of a lot, but it's not that much yet in market cap either when you really think about it. All right. So what was that? Quant? I didn't even know. Matic network. That was 87 billion. Oh, market cap here, 450 billion market cap. Let's look. Where would it have to be for 450 million? I can see it getting up into the top 30 market cap. Why can't it? Tell me why it can't. When Crypto.com, I understand it's an exchange token, but it came out of nowhere. Now it's in the top 10. Chainlink had its thing because it's Chainlink. A lot of these coins in the top 30 and the top 20. I mean, they've had their runs. I mean, I really think in the long run, in a spec bull run, I mean, these prices are going to be higher too. So whatever's here, 0x, it's going to be larger than 450 million during a spec bull run, and probably when Zap's around the time you want to take the profits on Zap, around $2 to $8. I mean, shit, even $8 is something very achievable here with Zap. It's right up in the charts, still on the fib extension. I drew the same chart with Chainlink, and Chainlink's, it's basically testing its top fibs here. Let's see if I can pull that up actually. Well, that's not my chart, but anyway, I think Zap short term in this bull run, we get to $2.80. Right now, we test 32 cents, then we go back down. But let me know what you think. It's kind of hard to plot where the price is going to go when beforehand there was no real price discovery. So this is fun. This is going to be a fun asset to watch. Let me know what you think. Thanks.